Hello, children. This week, we're learning about the letter O. Can you think of words that start with the letter O? Good. Yes. Owl. Oranges. There are lots of words that start with the letter O. O makes the short sound and the long sound O. What is that funny-looking animal that man is petting underwater? That's right, it's an octopus. Our color of the week is neon blue. What kind of things can you think of that are the color neon blue? Some balloons are neon blue. Some birds are neon blue. This week, our number is the number 14. It's very easy to draw the number 14. And we are also going to write the word 14. See? That was pretty easy. Our shape is a left angle. Lots of things have left angles. Books have left angles. Boxes have left angles. Our sight words are said, see, ride, and saw. Why don't you try to make some sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week.